Hi, this is Rhonda Layfield, and this demo on adding comments to your filters is from my Microsoft Network Monitoring training. And the last topic that we have, let's clear the text out of our display filter again, is comments. For the comments, I am going to go back up to the view and ask it to restore my default layout. To add comments to your frames, the first thing I want to do is rearrange my windows a bit. I'm not really interested in the network conversations that are happening over here. And really, under the hood, what the network conversations are simply filters that are already predefined for you. And there's tons of different types of filters. So this would be DNS traffic that we have here. And we expand that. This would be IPv4 DNS traffic between 10.10.10.50 and that 51 machine, and it's conversation ID number 1. We also have some system traffic, local security authority subsystem, LSAS. So network conversations are really just predefined filters that are built in to display the data for you in more of a conversational mode. So just between certain machines or built-in filters choosing specific protocols or processes. As you can see here, LSAS is the process name. I'm going to close network conversations for now. Now, to add frame comments, first you have to find the frame that you would like to make a comment in. So I'm going to create a display filter. Protocol, we'll choose DNS and apply that filter. Let me scrunch this back out. So the first DNS packet is actually frame number 230. So I can look at frame number 230, and then down here in the right corner, notice that there are 2 tabs down at the bottom. One tab is dealing with hex details, which I'll show you a little bit more on that in a couple lessons down the road. Frame comments is what we're looking for here. So whatever frame I have highlighted is the frame that I'm going to create a comment for. So here I can enter my title. Let's say it's the first DNS packet. And then I could input, I am troubleshooting, if I could spell, I am troubleshooting DNS issues for the HR client. Tell it to save and close. And then notice what looks different here. So, do you see the pound sign out to the right-hand side of the frame number? If I remove our filter so that now we see all data packets, but I can also see that on packet 230, other than the fact that it's color-coded, so I know automatically it's a DNS data packet, I can also see that it has a comment because of the pound sign or the hash out to the right-hand side. Notice how the other DNS packets do not have that. On the frames that contain comments, you can highlight that frame, come down to the frame comments, and then you can choose to edit that. You can open it, you can cut, paste, copy. There's an undo and a move forward to put your comments back again if you'd like to. So these should look pretty familiar to you. I'm going to choose to save and close. And think about a time when you're going to be troubleshooting an issue and maybe you have to go home. It's 8 o'clock at night and you're done for the day. So you go home, you come back in the next day, and you already have a few data packets that you have input some comments on. Here's my first DHCP packet. When you pop in and open this network capture that you saved yesterday, of course you'll start from frame number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because when it first opens, it just goes back to the very first packet that was captured. Now you can go down and choose under the frame comments, next comment. It pops you right down to your DNS packet that was your first comment. Then you can go to the next comment, And you can even scroll back up and go to the previous comment. So it's kind of nice that this allows you to kind of jump around. So when you do put a comment on a data packet, it's a quick, easy way to get right back to that same packet again. Really helpful. If it takes a couple days to troubleshoot, go ahead and just start from the beginning and slap a couple comments in there when you find the interesting packets that can help you resolve your issues.
Thanks for watching. For more information regarding our training, please visit www.trainsignal.com.